Coordination in plants. Unlike animals, plants don't have a nervous system. Instead, they rely on a chemical-based system for coordination. This system involves plant hormones, also known as phytohormones. Plant hormones. Plant hormones are chemical substances produced by plants that regulate growth, development, and responses to environmental stimuli. They are synthesized in specific parts of the plant and transported to target tissues, where they exert their effects. Some of the major plant hormones and their functions are auxins, promote cell elongation and cell division, involved in phototropism, which is growth towards light, and geotropism, which is growth towards gravity. They also induce root formation in stem cuttings. Gibberellins stimulate stem elongation and seed germination. They promote flowering and fruit development. Cytokinins promote cell division and delay aging. They work in conjunction with auxins to regulate cell differentiation. Abscisic acid, or ABA, inhibits growth and promotes seed dormancy. It helps plants withstand adverse conditions like drought and cold. Ethylene promotes fruit ripening and leaf abscission. It's also involved in various stress responses. Plant movements. Plants exhibit two main types of movements: tropic movements. These are directional growth responses to external stimuli. Examples include phototropism, which is the response to light, geotropism, the response to gravity, and hydrotropism, the response to water. Nastic movements. These are non-directional movements in response to stimuli. Examples include the opening and closing of flowers in response to light or temperature changes. In conclusion, plants coordinate their growth and responses to environmental stimuli through the action of plant hormones. These hormones regulate various physiological processes, ensuring that plants can adapt and thrive in diverse conditions. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of the human endocrine system. Get ready for a fun and informative ride. The endocrine system is like the body's internal messaging network. It's made up of glands that produce hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate all sorts of bodily functions. Think of it as the Wi-Fi of your body, connecting different parts and making sure everything runs smoothly. Let's start with the common endocrine glands that both males and females have. First up, the hypothalamus. This little guy is located in the brain and is in charge of things like body temperature, hunger, thirst, sleep, and mood. You can think of it as the thermostat and alarm system of your body. Next, we have the pituitary gland, often called the master gland. It's also located in the brain and controls the activity of other endocrine glands. It's like the boss of the hormone world. Moving down to the neck, we find the thyroid gland. This gland regulates metabolism, which is how your body uses energy. Imagine it as the engine of your body, keeping things running smoothly. Right behind the thyroid, we have the parathyroid glands. These small glands regulate calcium levels in the blood. They're like the calcium police, making sure everything is in balance. Sitting on top of your kidneys are the adrenal glands. These glands produce hormones that help the body respond to stress. They're your body's built-in stress busters. The pancreas, located behind the stomach, produces insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar levels. Think of it as the sugar manager of your body. And finally, the pineal gland. This gland, located in the brain, produces melatonin, which regulates sleep-wake cycles. It's your body's natural sleep aid. Now let's talk about the sex-specific endocrine glands. For males, we have the testes. Located in the scrotum, they produce testosterone, which is essential for male sexual development and function. They're like the powerhouse of male hormones. In females, we have the ovaries. Located in the pelvis, they produce estrogen and progesterone, which are essential for female sexual development and function. They're the command center for female hormones. It's important to note that while the primary sex glands are specific to each sex, the other endocrine glands work together in a complex system to regulate various bodily functions in both males and females. And that's a wrap on the human endocrine system. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of your body's hormone network.